Snapchat's releasing its AI chatbot to everyone for free. Oh, Snapchat's getting in the mix, hey? The OpenAI powered chatbot. Oh, OpenAI powered. Couple bucks for Microsoft or what?
Yeah, GPT.
Also being added to group chats, gaining the ability to make recommendations for things like AR filters, and will soon be able to even generate photos inside of Snapchat. Snap is releasing its My AI chatbot to all of Snapchat's 750 million monthly users for free, a move that comes less than 2 months after the OpenAI-powered bot was first made available to the app's more than 3 million paid subscribers. My AI is becoming a more integral part of Snapchat. It can now be added to group chats by mentioning it with an @ symbol, and Snap will let people change the look and name of their bot with a custom Bitmoji avatar, of course. Make sure my bot's looking good. In addition, My AI can now recommend AR filters to use in Snapchat's camera or places to visit from the app's map tab. And Snap plans to soon let people visually message My AI. Can I just say something about Snapchat? My kid was telling me this the other day. He doesn't use it, but it's like incredibly prevalent at his age group. They try to get their Snap score up, so they just blindly add people. By doing a blind ad, you get a Snap streak. And so kids,
What do you get for that?
nothing. Like clout? I don't know. You get nothing from this. Is what I said. And he's like, nah, it's well known. Like people want to have a good Snap score or whatever. And I'm like, okay, so you got these young people. I'm talking young, blind adding people. What the hell is that about? I gotta have a word. I gotta have a word.
You should, yeah.
I'm about to have a word. And then to a certain extent, I blame the platforms. Like, what are you doing? You're trying to turn it into a game over here? A lot of these people have location services turned on. So you do a blind ad and they immediately share their address? Like, whew. I know you make it all cartoony and stuff because it's super fun, but I'm telling you the way people are using it. I'm telling you the way people are using it.
Yeah. And people are going to probably use it more because... I mean, you kind of cut off there, but like...
What you mean I cut off?
Personally message the AI for like a chat just to get a response. And I'm sure Snap will find a way to gamify that too.
They won't allow you to delete what? What are they talking about in the chat? You can't delete the bot? I've had Snapchat for a long time. I hardly use it. There are so many fake accounts that will show up in your friend request. Lots of spam. Every Snapchat tries to have me open Snap. It's always a bot asking me to click their shady link. Listen, man. I'm telling you, it's a mess. It's a mess. The degree, the permissions, the lack of awareness around privacy by these users. Someone else says you can delete the AI bot. Well, anyway, listen. AI is everything now. If you're a company with 750 million active users and you're not having a bunch of meetings about AI, I'd be surprised.
Yeah. Here's the chat example.
Hi there. Hey, what can I help you with? I know I'm purple with blue hair. What can I help you with? Can you write me a haiku about my cheese-obsessed friend Lucas? Lucas's love for cheese. Gouda Brie and Camembert. Melts hearts, not just cheese. Okay. Yeah. Well, thank goodness for that.
AI's coming for your kids.
Thank goodness for that. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.